everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's about time to dye my hair for this fall season. I'm so excited. Finally I have everything all together and what I need to do this hair coloring. I am so excited. The color I'm choosing is one that I did and I fell in love with it, and now this year it's going to be perfect for my Halloween costume. This year I'm going to be Beetlejuice, and I'm going to color my hair green using the Iro neon green along with Manic Panic Beetlejuice green. I'm so excited. I got this just in case if this one isn't enough, I can go back in for touch-ups. Anything that I need to do, I'll have this. I also have some green color conditioner that deposits the color as well. So I'm fully ready to lock in and do this green Beetlejuice hair transformation with all of you today. So we're going to get started. For the bleaching kit, I got the Beyond Bleach Whiteout kit from Raw. This one is the 30 volume. Do get the full kit, as I believe. If not, we even have gloves. We have different things to make up for the losses of whatever this kit is missing. We have the Whiteout conditioning toner. We have the 30 volume applicator. Inside the kit we also get a little tiny brush. It'll come in handy, I think, and then we get the lightener right in here, and along with the instructional booklet, and we get gloves. Nice. I have a ceramic bowl. Don't use a metal bowl or spoon because it ruins the bleach from what I've read and heard. So I got a ceramic bowl here that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to finally mix our concoction together. We're going to open up the lightener, and this is the Punky Color Lightener, lightest and brightest powder bleach. So we have our ceramic bowl. We're going to put the powder in here. Make sure we get all the powder in our bowl. This is such a fun video to do. I'm really excited. We're also going to go in and mix up our developer, and I'm going to take the brush out of the package and use that as our stirring tool. So that will hopefully help us. So we're going to get this started. Should have my hair clip and sectioning comb in hand right beside us. You want to gradually add the activator developer to the mix and create a creamy consistency. So that's what we're going to do. Put a little bit in here. A little bit as we go. And stir. From what I remember, you want to have kind of like a cake batter consistency. Just going to dump the whole bottle in here. How's that? We're going to mix it and stir it with our little brush that they gave us in the package. I think that will help us get out any clumps. I feel like I'm stirring up potions right now. And that's what it should look like right here. A lovely light purple shade, and it should look very creamy like that. The brush really does help with creating a nice, beautiful consistency and creaminess to the product. We're going to put on our gloves that they gave us and start getting to work. So that way our bleach doesn't become all blue and deactivated. So we want to do the ends up to the roots. So we want to do our ends first, roots last. We're going to attempt to do that. That is the mission for today. So we're going to go in and we're going to take our mirror here. That's where I'm going to be looking at right now is my beautiful, trusted, handy dandy mirror. So if I'm not looking at you, you know why. I'm going to put a little bit from our brush onto the ends of the hair, like so. Making sure that it's really getting in there and we're getting a good, rich, even application. Making sure that it's saturated. You want it to be saturated and you want to do little pieces instead of like huge chunks because then you get a lot of clumpiness. So this little brush might not look like much, but it's actually really something. I know before in the past I said not to use the brush, but over time I've changed my mind about the whole brushing out the lightener. I actually really like the little brushes now. Over time they grew on me. So we really want to use our little brushes. See, you learn and you grow. I'm trying to keep away from the roots, but I'm also touching up the ends here. I wish I could see the back of my head. That would come in handy. It's kind of hard to do the back. But as we go along, it should get a little bit easier. And as you go along, you want to section out your hair best you can. Take the excess and pin it up. I should have brushed my hair before I did this, but I was like in a hurry. I was like, it's getting late right now and I want to get this done. Had to pick Haley up from her friends, so I was like, well, I gotta do this at some point, so it's kind of late and I want to get it kind of like over and done with in a way, but I still want it to come out decently. So we're still going to take our time with it. You want to use your hands along with the brush. Those are your two big tools right now. Using the applicator, then using our hands to saturate the rest of the hair, evening it out best that we can. I'm going to get my little bangs because those ones are being a pesky nuisance right now, so if I get my bangs I can actually see better, hopefully. I know I have black hair and it's probably going to not be the bestest, most efficient bleach job, but I know what I'm getting myself into. I have had black hair for a while and I colored it again, so yeah, I know what I'm getting myself in for. We're going to section it again. I don't have that much hair, but then I do have a lot of hair. It's like, my crown part is like the most difficult spot for me because like when I do my teasing and everything, that right there, and then we're going to go in with some more of the lightener. Shower cap from Walmart, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to open that up. And we're going to put our hair inside, making sure it all fits in there as best we can. I'm ready to do surgery now. So, we going to get all the little baby hairs in here and let this process. You want to check on it every 5 to 10 minutes or so, making sure it's the lightness that you want. Making sure I'm tucking in all these pieces. Like behind your ear is like the most difficult part. I wish I was like a mannequin so that way you can just like tear off your ear and then put it back on and replace it once everything is like situated. So we really want our hair to be in there as much as possible in the shower cap, and I will see you back here in about an hour. Okay guys, time is up and I'm going to go in the bathroom, wash my hair out, and I'm going to bring my conditioner toners with me, and we're going to see what will happen. I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm hoping it'll turn out great. I do have some like low expectations because I hope it turns out good. I'll be back. Well, I'm glad I had low expectations with this bleach job because kind of like what the heck happened. I had everything saturated for what I could feel. I most likely did something wrong, I know. But first off, I washed my hair with the Suave charcoal and aloe vera clarifying shampoo a few times. Made sure all the shampoo and bleach was out of my hair. Then I went in with the whiteout conditioning toner. That's what I have in my hair now, and I'm going to let it process for around 15 minutes. Let it really soak in. I put a lot of the toner in my hair, but yeah, I do have a lot of black brown patchiness. I think after I'm done with the processing of the toner from the whiteout bottle, I'm going to go in additionally with the L'Oreal Paris Everpure sulfate-free color care system purple conditioner and see what that will do. I'm going to leave that in for about 5 minutes. So it's a journey. I'm trying to remain optimistic here. Trying. So we shall see. It's not going to be a perfect dye job like when I had my green hair in the past when my friend did it. Okay, well this is how my hair looks now. Means I washed out all the toner from the whiteout bottle. Then I went in with the L'Oreal Everpure purple conditioner and left that in for like a few minutes. And this is the result after blow drying everything. It is as light as it's going to get, so that's pretty much that. But not too mad about it because I am going to color it. I'm going to take an extra pair of gloves that I have and I'm going to color my hair green finally using first up the Iro color. That one is the main one that I'm going to be using today. So we're going to jump into it once I put on the gloves. And then this one is just easy. You leave it on and pretty much forget about it. I like to leave it on for like an hour, hour and a half, around there. And this one you can be as free as you want with it. I'm going to shake it up a little bit in here in the tube. And we're going to see what we get. I'm so excited. I love the green. I have to say that by far this is my most favorite shade of green I've ever used so far. It's just so nice. It feels so good. I love that it's vegan and cruelty free, and pretty much all the ingredients in here is natural. And I think that's what gives it just the most beautiful feel and look. I love my hair when it's like this green. So excited. Cannot wait for Halloween. Let me know in the comment section below. Are you guys doing your hair for Halloween? Are you dyeing it? Are you buying a wig? Are you getting it done at a salon? Like, what's your hair plans for Halloween? So far in the camera, my hair looks pretty awesome. A little bit dark in some places, but still very awesome. So excited. Oh my gosh. Still have a lot of color to go. And this package you get a lot of color, which is nice. Oh, I love that green. Look at that. It's just true Halloween, beautiful green. Getting the baby hairs back here on my neck and around my ears. Let me know in the comment section below, are any of you dressing up for Halloween? And what's your plans for Halloween? Like, are you going to do a spooky party? Are you just passing out candy? Or right now I'm definitely going to be passing out candy. I'm definitely going to dress up. If Haley's old school has a party, definitely going to that because that's a tradition. Even though she doesn't go to that school anymore, we're still going to go to that festival. If we can go, we're going to go. We're going to cook Halloween treats, decorate, you name it. We're going to do everything this year. It's going to be a fun time for sure. So we're doing a gender bend costume. Jay is going to be Lydia this year, and I'm going to be Beetlejuice, obviously. Hence why I'm coloring my hair. So yeah, we're going to do that for Halloween, and I'm super excited. I have his shirt, a really fun shirt that I got for him at Hot Topic. Then I got him a red tie. It doesn't really match his shirt because his shirt is kind of like a burgundy red. I couldn't really find a tie. I don't know. But anyway, I found him a tie for Halloween. It'll work. And then I'm either going to do a black button-down undershirt with either red or black slacks. I already have a Beetlejuice outfit that I had a while back, so I'm just going to use that, you know. Like, I'm not going to spend a ton of money on costumes this year. I already bought Haley her costume. That was the most I'm going to spend this year on costumes. Now it's just time to sit back, relax, and just wait for it to process. So I'll see you back here within about an hour and a half. Well, this is the hair situation that I have going on right now. It's something. I'm okay with it. So I'm going to dry it. Hopefully it will look somewhat better when it's dried. Because you can see some green. I'm like, I don't know. I'm going to blow dry it and then get back to you after I'm done drying it and styling it. Well, this is how my hair turned out. I know it's not super perfect. I get that. But I still love the color. And I think my costume will still look pretty awesome with my hair. I'm going to tease it up for Halloween, so I don't think there will be any like issues. And if there is, I'll just like put some like extra color or something. I don't know. Do something fun. But that is my Beetlejuice hair transformation. I'm so happy that you can join me today. If you guys like this video, please let me know by leaving a huge thumbs up down below. It's so appreciated when you guys all do that. Let me know in the comment section below if you're doing anything for Halloween and all that. Thank you guys once again. Subscribe for more videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Bye everyone.